Our Pixel Assistant walks you through the process of adding our pixel to your website. To get started, enter the URL of your website and then click the Scan button. Once you click the Scan button, our system will scan your website to see what technologies you are using, and we will make recommendations on how to install the pixel. For instance, for our website, we use Google Tag Manager. So one option it offers is the ability to automatically publish our pixel to Google Tag Manager. If you are using Google Tag Manager and have access to your Google Tag Manager container, this is the recommended method to add the pixel to your website. Also, the Pixel Assistant detected that our website is hosted using WordPress. For sites hosted on WordPress, we have a plugin you can install per the instructions provided. Depending on how your website is hosted, in most cases, we will have instructions on how to install the pixel. In many cases, we will also have links to video overviews on how to install the pixel for this platform. Should you want to place the code directly on your site, you can click the View Code link to get the code. When choosing this option, we display the instructions and code to add directly to the HTML of your site, as well as specific instructions if you are using Google Tag Manager to place the code. There is also an option to email these instructions to a technical resource if you'd like. Once you believe you have the pixel properly placed on your website, you can return to the Pixel Assistant and click the link at the bottom to check. If the pixel is detected, you'll see a status message indicating this. When accessing our Pixel Assistant from our Quick Start Guide, you'll also notice the pixel step color turns green, indicating that this step has been successfully completed.